Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Chapter 2 Powers Part 1. At the end of this video, students will be able to identify a power of a decimal number, know the meaning of a exponent n, where a is a decimal and n is a natural number, calculate a exponent n, recognize that if n is an odd natural number, then a exponent n has the same sign as a. Recognize that if n is an even natural number, then a exponent n is always positive. Determine the sign of a power without calculation. The materials you need: a paper, a pencil, a calculator, and your textbook. Definition: x is a non-zero decimal number and n is a natural number. To represent x multiplied by itself n times as a power, we write x exponent n, where x exponent n is a power. This is a power. X is the base, n is the exponent, which is the number of times. Remark: we read x exponent n, or power of x to the exponent n, or nth power of x. If x is a non-zero decimal number, then x exponent 0 equal 1, x exponent 1 equal x, 0 exponent n equal 0, where n is a non-zero natural number. Example 1. Write in the form of a power: minus 2 multiplied by itself 3 times equal minus 2 exponent 3, where minus 2 exponent 3 is a power, minus 2 is the base, and 3 is the exponent. We read minus 2 exponent 3, or power of minus 2 to the exponent 3. 3.2 multiplied by itself 5 times equals 3.2 exponent 5, where 3.2 exponent 5 is a power, 3.2 is the base, and 5 is the exponent. We read 3.2 exponent 5, or 3.2 to the power 5. Example 2. Calculate 5 exponent 0 equal 1, because we know that x exponent 0 equal 1. It's a rule. Minus 3 exponent 0 equal 1, but 0 exponent 0 doesn't exist. 7.25 exponent 1 equals 7.25, because we know a rule: x exponent 1 equal x, minus 10 exponent 1 equal minus 10, 0 exponent 8 equals 0, because we have a rule: 0 exponent n equals 0, where n is a non-zero natural number. 0 exponent 3 equal 0. Calculate x, where x is a decimal and n is a natural number. We recognize that x exponent n equal x multiplied by itself n times. Example: calculate 3 exponent 5. 3 exponent 5 as x exponent n equal 3 multiplied by itself 5 times, equal 243 by the calculator. We use the calculator. 5 exponent 3 means 5 multiplied by itself 3 times, equal 125 also by the calculator. Minus 2 exponent 4, minus 2 multiplied by itself 4 times, equal 16 by the calculator. Application: calculate the following powers. We have 4 parts. Please pause the video now and try to solve this application. Solution: minus 2 exponent 5 means minus 2 multiplied by itself 5 times, equal minus 32 by the calculator. 7 exponent 3 equals 7 multiplied by itself 3 times, equal 343 by the calculator. 10 exponent 4 equal 10 multiplied by itself 4 times equal 10,000. Minus 1 exponent 5 equal minus 1 multiplied by itself 5 times equal minus 1. Assignment: review from the textbook, page 15 in the edition 2017 or page 11 in the edition 2012. Homework from the textbook in the edition 2017, exercises 8, 9, and 10, page 21. In the edition 2012, exercises 6, 7, and 8, page 17. Prerequisites. Property 1. Positive number is a number that is bigger than 0 and can be written with plus symbol in front of it. Example, plus 3, plus 8, plus 5.3, etc. Property 2. Negative number is a number that is less than 0 and can be written with minus symbol in front of it. Example, minus 4, minus 11, minus 8.21, etc. Property 3. An odd number is an integer when divided by 2 leaves a remainder. Example, 1, 3, 5, etc. Property 4. Even number is an integer that can be divided by 2 and leaves no remainder. Example, 0, 2, 4, 6, etc. These informations are taken in the previous year. Sign of powers. Property 1. If the exponent is odd, then the power has the same sign as its base. That is, if n is an odd natural number, then a exponent n has the same sign as a, where a is a decimal number. Example, find the sign of each of the following powers. In these powers, all the exponents are odd. 1. 12 exponent 5. The exponent is odd, then this power has the same sign as its base, which is 12. 12 is positive, and the exponent is odd, then this power is positive. 2. Minus 4 exponent 7. The exponent is odd, which is 7, then its sign is the same as the sign of its base, minus 4. So this power is smaller than 0 or negative. Minus 3x exponent 3. To know the sign of this power, we have to know the sign of the base. The exponent is odd, so it has the same sign as the base. The base is minus 3 times x, but x is a positive decimal. Then minus 3 times x gives a negative decimal. So minus 3x is a negative decimal. Then this power has a negative base, then it is negative. Property 2. If the exponent is even, then the power is always positive. That is, if n is an even natural number, then a exponent n is always positive, where a is a decimal number. Example, find the sign of each of the following powers. Look, all the exponents are even. Solution. Minus 7 exponent 4. The exponent is even, so as the rule said, the power is always positive. Since the exponent is 4, which is even, then this power is positive. The same for 5 exponent 12. The exponent is even, then this power is greater than 0 or positive. The same for minus 5x exponent 4. The exponent is even, so this power is positive, whatever the sign of x. Application. Give the sign of each power with justification and without calculation. Please pause the video and try to solve this application. Solution. Minus 10 exponent 9 has an odd exponent, then it has the same sign as its base, minus 10, so it is negative. 4.3 exponent 3, its exponent is odd, so it has the same sign as its base, which is 4.3, then it is positive. Minus 4 exponent 6 is positive, Since it has an even exponent, which is 6, then its power is positive. 15 exponent 10 has an even exponent, then this power is positive. Assignment. Review from the textbook. Homework from the textbook. Summary. A is a decimal number and n is a natural number. Definition. A exponent n equal a times a multiplied by itself n times, where a exponent 0 equal 1, 0 exponent n equals 0, a exponent 1 equal a. Sign of a power. A exponent n is a power. If n is odd, then a exponent n has the same sign as a, its base. If n is even, then a exponent n is positive. Thank you for watching.